I built this website in under minutes from zero using completely free AI tools, and in this video I'm gonna show you my exact process, every prompt I used, every tool, every step, nothing hidden. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to build this kind of website for any luxury brand. So here's what most people do wrong when they try to build with AI. They open up the tool, type something like build me a luxury website, and they get something that looks like a free template, and they think AI is the problem. It's not. AI is incredibly powerful. The problem is what you give it. The difference between a website that looks like $500 and one that looks like $1,500, it's entirely in the preparation, the prompts, the rules, the structure. That's what I'm gonna show you today. I'm in AntiGravity, Google's free AI development platform, creating a new project folder, calling it Lux Aura. That's the name of our fictional luxury fragrance brand. Now before I type a single prompt, I'm going to do something that completely changes the quality of everything AntiGravity produces. Most people skip this step. This is why most AI built websites look like AI built them. I'm setting up custom rules. Think of these as a permanent creative brief for the AI. I set them once and every single thing it builds from this point follows them automatically. I have 12 rules and I'll go through them quickly because each one matters. Rule 1. CSS custom properties for everything. Colors, spacing, fonts all live in one place. Change one variable and the whole site updates. Rule 2. Float typography with clamp. Text scales perfectly on every screen size automatically. Rule 3. CSS grid and flexbox for all layouts. Rule 4. Scroll animations using intersection observer only. Rule 5. All images use lazy loading and have width and height set. This protects our page speed score. Rule 6. Spacing follows an 8 pixel scale only. Rule 10. Semantic HTML with area labels. Rule 11. Will change on all animated elements for GPU acceleration. Rule 12. Mobile first with container queries. 12 rules. Set once, the AI follows all of them forever on this project. That's the foundation. By the way, I have all 12 of these rules written out and ready to copy along with the full prompt library for this video. Link is in the description. Step 2. Our hero images. The scroll animation we saw at the beginning, that's built from two images that transform into each other. So these images need to be extraordinary. I'm opening Google Whisk, also completely free. Here's how I think about this. We need one image to feel calm, composed, still, the product at rest. An image too needs to feel like that same product has come alive. Energy, motion, atmosphere. So here's my exact prompt for the first image. Look at these. That one, the lighting, the marble, the depth of the background, that is a fashion editorial photograph. And we generated it for free in 30 seconds. This is image 1. Now image 2. Same product, same reference, completely different energy. The mist, the particles rising, same bottle, completely transformed. This is what our scroll animation is going to transition between. Someone scrolls down and they watch this transformation happen in real time. Now I'm taking these two images into Google Flow. This is what creates the actual animation between them. And now the transition prompt. This tells Flow how to animate between the two states. A fashion film generated in 2 minutes for free. This is the animation that's going to play on our hero section as someone scrolls. Anti-gravity uses image sequences, not video files, so I need to extract every single frame from this animation as a JPEG. I'm using this website, video to JPEG, free tool. Every frame is a moment in our animation. This whole folder is what anti-gravity is going to use to build the scroll effect. Now the first main prompt, and I want you to read this with me for a second because the depth of this prompt is exactly why the result looks like the way it does. This is not build me a luxury website. This is a complete design brief. Color system, typography, spacing scale, section structure, animation behavior. That's our foundation. Clean, is structured, already looked expensive, and this is just the base. Now the moment we have been building toward, I'm sending the scroll animation prompt. This prompt tells anti-gravity to use those frames we uploaded and create the exact Apple style scroll sequence, canvas based. Request animation frame, 0 flicker. Okay, scroll slowly with the mouse in the preview. Look at that. the mist rises, the particles appears, the whole product transforms. This is what took agencies weeks to build. We just did it in about minutes. Color system, typography, animation, cursor, magnet buttons, parallax, every one of those 12 custom rules working in the background. This is what you can build for any luxury brand, fragrance, jewelry, fashion, skincare. The process is the same, the prompts adapt. And there it is, live on the internet. Anyone in the world can open this URL right now. If I send this link to a luxury fragrance brand today, they have no idea I built it in under minutes. Everything I used in this video, every prompt, every rule, the complete workflow files, I've put all of it in the description. No upsells, no gatekeeping, just everything you need to start building and selling. And I want you to see what you create, build your first luxury AI website this week and send it to me. Seriously, my DMs are open. If this video helped you, subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.